When you have got some leftover cement, some sand lying around, and a few empty bottles, then you can definitely think of doing what I am doing. And this has helped me a lot by creating a very interesting and nice, pretty looking project. And it's very easy to do, except that it is a bit messy and you have to be a bit clever as to where and how to place your bottles so that you create a slope. So we used some bricks on either side of the path that was supposed to hold the whole mixture of soil, bottles, and the sand cement mixture. So to hold the whole structure together, these bricks were on either side, and then we put the bottles, the shorter bottles, at the ends, but in the middle, taller bottles were used so that a slope is created. And then that's it. We put first layer was the soil to, and then soil was holding the bottles together, and then we poured the mortar, the cement and sand 1:1 ratio, and we poured it over it. And then when it was about to set, I went back to the spot and I started cleaning with the sponge and water, and that was it. It was such a beautiful sight, and it was very rewarding and very, very pretty thing to do. So much fun, and I would definitely say that yes, if you have got all these things lying around in your house, why not do a small project like this? Or probably you could do a big long stretch of path. The choices are unlimited and ideas can be unlimited. So hope you enjoyed this small path. As you can see, it's looking so pretty. Thank you so much. Love you all. Please press like and subscribe. Happy gardening.